Greetings everyone, we are students from Group 7 SMJE 3303 Integrated Design Project. When we talk about voting or election in Malaysia, what will you think about? Electoral fraud, dead voters, multiple identities, no indelible ink, unprofessional behaviours of election commissions officers, wasting paper resources, or what recently happened in the Sabah election which caused the outbreak of COVID-19.
To solve all these problems, here we introduce you a brand new electronic voting system. There are three major modules in this system, which are Identity Verification Module, which function to check the identity of the registered voters so the suspicious voter can be eliminated. Social Distancing Module, which used to make precaution for the voters to keep social distancing as an effort to combat the communicable diseases such as COVID-19. Last is the Electronic Voting Module, which aims to eliminate the election officials' suspicious behavior in the voting processes and also as an effort to reduce paper wasting.
This electronic voting system is virtual not only for the political situation and citizens' rights, but also to achieve SDGs. It is mainly to fulfill Goal 16 of SDGs, peace, justice and strong institutions, and SDG 10, which is reduce inequalities. The best aspiration for social distancing to combat COVID-19 also precisely accomplish SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. Otherwise, the reduction of paper resource usage also made the system attain SDG 12, which is a responsible consumptions and productions, and SDG 15, which is life on land.
In the Identity Verification Module, a default admin was set with a password of 1111. When the wrong password is entered, it will require them to enter the right password to get through. Then, it's time for the voter to vote. They have to enter their identity card number and then they have to reconfirm it again. The input, which is the identity card number, will then be recorded into the EEPROM in the Arduino. The election officer will then read the number of the voter's identity card number based on their own datasheet for confirmation.
In the second module, which is Social Distancing Module, an ultrasonic sensor is used as the interpersonal distance detector connected to the 8-bit microcontroller Atini. The indicator in this module is LED RGB and pixel buzzer. When the distance of the next voter is too close to the default distance, the pixel buzzer will have the sound and the LCD RGB will turn from green to red as a caution to the voters.
In the electronic voting module, push buttons were used to be the inputs to this module. We consider there are 4 candidates who are A, B, C and D in these elections, while the last button is the result button. The LCD will show you the accumulated result under the name of each candidate. In this module, we have 3 total of modes.
First mode, when there are no vote is made, which means the LCD display will show you no voting. While the second mode is that when all the candidates are obtained the same number of polls, then the LCD display will show you tie up or no result. And the last mode is when there is a candidate won in this election. When the result button is pressed, the candidate with the most accumulated votes will be shown as winner.
Although this project still can have some improvement, like replacing the keypad with the face recognition or fingerprint sensor, unfortunately, we can't have those features due to the limitation of simulation in Tinkercad. However, we believe that this system is capable of the ease of its purposes. And that is all from us. Thank you for having us.